Hey, what's up everyone? This is Chris from Feldmann Imports. Today we're taking a look at a certified pre-owned 2018 C300 Coupe 4MATIC. This one's a Selenite Gray Metallic. Underneath the hood is a 2-liter 4-cylinder turbo pushing out 241 horsepower and 273 pounds of torque. This one does come with a diamond style grille, LED daytime running lights. Also included is the AMG line, which is going to give you the AMG line interior and exterior. For wheels, we've got 18-inch AMG 5-spoke wheels. The tires are in good condition. A black MB Tex interior. Panorama sunroof. Coming around back, we've got a rear spoiler. Our C300 4MATIC badging. Opening up the tailgate. Got AMG floor mats, fold down rear seats, power liftgate. Come alongside, this one does come with the Premium 1 package, which is going to give you a blind spot assist, an aluminum trim, Burmeister sound system, heated seats, memory seats, power windows, heated steering wheel. Hopping in, we've got our steering wheel controls, paddle shifters for extra performance, a push start ignition. This one also does come with the multimedia package, which is going to include command with navigation, a rear view backup camera, a nice black ash wood trim, dual climate controls, hard keys for our media display, cup holders, dynamic selects for different driving patterns, our touchpad and turn wheel for our infotainment center. This C300 Coupe has 12,806 miles, Carfax and service records available online. If you'd like to view more photos of the C300 Coupe 4MATIC, check out feldmanimports.com.